Kirkot ka Khasi Students Union North Khasi Hills District Education Cell haga khatnre terek jeliu kilalit bani kendo yo Professor Dipendra Thakuria Dean Jongka College of Agriculture Kyrdem Kulai ban thoket binya alor ka Nongtrei de kibriu ki banabar hapo kani ka college kate ka jinglet jongka KSU kade hadin bakaseng kala yo Jingtip ya ka jingyo transfer order kendri ngot ki Nongtrei ka Central Agriculture University CAU Imphal ban Nongtrei ha College of Agriculture Kyrdem Kulai kabadon Hariboy District. Professor Dipendra Thakuria, Dean of College of Agriculture, Kyrdem Kulai, ulayat huwa bakite ki Nongtrei ki bawan na Imphal, kide ki jat banriu kuki, bat kim shingan bandan Manipur, namar ka Jinglong Jingman hakate ka jala, bat lahap ban pen kendria yaki nagate ka University ban treshani tang shipor. Habakrench kelak pathai khubor samla banjob maring Education Secretary KSU NKHD ulayat ho bahadin balayo banyakren ba udin jong katika college layo Jingtip ka jingwan jingni ki Nongtrei na CAU Imphal bantrei ha kani ka college kalong betang lai banai bat hadin balakut kani ka lai banai ken haban nik phai no Manipur.
All that is written that is for 3 months.
For 3 months we are planning that it will solve. Otherwise, if they want to go to some other places, because they have family problem in Kerala to go to Mizoram. Still there, they may return.
I know, but as you told us that is on temporary basis.
Yeah.
And is it?
Morning. So I am Dipendra Thakuria, Dean of this college, College of Agriculture, Kyrdem Kulai. It is under one of the constituent college of Central Agriculture University, and which headquarter is at Imphal. So, and these gentlemen, they are coming, they are representing that Khasi Student Union, KSU. So, they actually visited the office of the Dean of this college with a particular concern, and concern is that they wants to know that some people belong to a particular community, that Manipuri community, they came on transfer and settle in this college. That is their complaint, whether they are permanently come over here or are they going to stay. Such kind of some confusions are there, and they came, and then I would like to clarify all the matters. Already I have clarified to them that the clarification is that the ongoing conflict what is going on in Manipur, that our Central Agriculture University located in the main Imphal Valley. So some the people employee of Central Agriculture University, they belong to Kuki community. So there is some kind of life threatening fears or such kind of fear is arises because of the riot. So as a temporary stopgap arrangement, so as we are also the constituent college of the university, so they have been transferred for a period of 3 months only. And once that situation in Imphal will be normalized, these people will again go back, and already I have shown their transfer order also. Here it is clearly mentioned that this is a temporary arrangement for a period of 3 months, and even pay everything will be drawn from their original post. That means it is from the Imphal college only. They will be drawing their salaries. So nothing to worry about the vacant position what is available in this College of Agriculture. These are still intact, and our authority is trying their level best to bring all the necessary advertisement, whatever vacant positions are there. Means mostly vacant positions, we are talking about non-teaching part, not the teaching part. Non-teaching part, whatever vacancy position, definitely university will take care, and advertisement they are trying their level best to bring as early as possible. And then with these words, I like to clarify all the doubts, and this arrangement is purely temporary and nothing to worry about the blockage of position or something.
Mentagasi nagaliang jongka Khasi Student Union North Khasi District unit nila lembah jongka division cell nila wan hangne rengkat bagi nongelam jongka district nadu vice president jungi bat kue kinoilam na district yuan ban mi ban kendu ki yaudin jongka neka College of Agriculture mengiwan kendu hangne galong ba habangi yoi bat ngiliyo Jingtip ba kidon hadu kumba ndriu nyongut kita ki Nongtrei jongka CAU na te na po Imphal na po Manipur ki wan kila yo ya kata transfer order banwan shane ne banwan tre hapo kaneka jaka hang ni tik ni ne lan jung kaseng hadin bangilio jingtip ya kani ngilawan ban kendu ya udin bapet ya kaneka jaka pulih hang ni bat hadin bangilio kendu badi keren badu kolong ba ula pensyai sengi ba kini kade betik tang na ka benta ka temporary order ani ka basipor badu la ya keren syai ru badu kolong ba hadin bakut ya kini lai benai extension ndai ban phak biang iki balik phai sapo ka jaka ka ba ki jutrei na kaliang ji keseng ni la ya keren badu bat kai kolong ba kini ki bawan na nte na po Manipur kidai ban ngidai bentip kanungut kiwan bat kanu bat ki khun ki kti la ne kiwan tangki Nongtrei dekat kum ka ba bat ki kiwan tangkum ki Nongtrei la ne bat ki khun ki kti dekat kum ka ba ngiyo ban ya keren badu kolong ba kidon ki bawan tangkumu Nongtrei wan simen bat don ru ki bawan bat ka family tingle keren badu ba udai ru ban pentip syaka sarkar jela ya kene jingdon jong kini ki bawan thamai ba phat nang tin po Manipur bat ki bawan sine bat nagliang jing keseng kai ka ba kta susu bangi shifting galong ba HOR hajar khandai ngai thu ipi ki don hadu pratli ki post ki bala advertise saktu kupor bala khot yang ne jing thungkam idan du pratli ki post bat hadu menta ki klem le ya kanu no interview ni shifting galong ba yo kini ki breu ki ba nakte na po ga jela Manipur nda kilawan hangne nama kitip baga jela miklia kadi ba suk san pabe kalong ba ngiting yo kini ki pus kin ja no kin tap da ta ki breu ki bawan nakte na po ga jela Manipur tingil ekran badu la pensisyaru ba ya kini ki bawan menta nang te sini adin tang bukut ya kini kalai bnai ki hab ban lek phaino bat ya kini ki post ki ba la khot HOR hajar khat khandai un sa khot no hapo kini ar bnai lai bnai ki tang ta hi nalang ji keseng ke jinya keren jungi badu